Hey ScoopBuddy fam. In today's fast-paced world, relying on just one source of income can be risky. Whether you're looking to boost your financial security or achieve financial freedom, having multiple streams of income is key. In this video, we're going to cover the ultimate guide to creating multiple streams of income and give you actionable steps to get started. Let's dive in. 1. Earned income, job or salary. The first stream of income is probably the most familiar. Earned income, which comes from your job or salary. This is the money you earn by trading your time for work, whether it's a 9-to-5 job, freelancing, or even part-time gigs. While earned income is reliable, it's important to not rely on it as your sole source of income. Think of it as the foundation for building other streams. 2. Profit income, selling products. Next, we have profit income. This is money you make from selling products. This could be physical items you sell online, like through Etsy, Amazon, or your own store, or even digital products like ebooks, courses, or designs. The beauty of selling products is that it can start as a side hustle and grow into something much larger. 3. Interest income, savings and investments. Then there's interest income, which comes from the money you have saved or invested. Whether it's in a high-interest savings account, bonds, or through peer-to-peer lending, this is money that grows passively over time. The key here is to make your money work for you, rather than you working for your money. 4th, dividend income, stocks and shares. Another powerful income stream is dividend income. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, companies reward their shareholders by paying out portions of their profits. This can create a steady stream of passive income if you choose the right companies. Reinvesting dividends can also grow your wealth over time. 5. Rental income, real estate. Next up is rental income, which comes from real estate. If you own property, renting it out can provide a consistent cash flow. Whether it's a long-term rental, short-term vacation rental like Airbnb, or even renting out a spare room, real estate is a proven way to build wealth. 6. Royalty income, creative work. Royalty income is the money you earn from intellectual property or creative work, such as music, books, patents, or designs. Once you've created something, you can earn royalties every time it's sold, played, or used. This is an excellent way to generate passive income if you're in a creative field. 7. Capital gains, investments. Finally, we have our capital gains, which is the profit you make from selling investments, such as stocks, real estate, or other assets. Timing is key when it comes to capital gains, as it's all about buying low and selling high. Whether it's short-term or long-term investments, capital gains can significantly increase your wealth. The key to building financial freedom is diversifying your income sources. Don't rely on just one stream. Start small and build up over time. Creating multiple streams of income doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and plan, you can slowly build financial security and even achieve financial freedom. What streams of income are you excited to explore? Let me know in the comments below.